Now we'll be doing question number 3, exercise 8.2. Okay. So exercise 8.2, question number 3. Okay. Tan of a plus b equals to root 3 and tan of a minus b equals to 1 by root 3. It is given in the question. Okay. Where a plus b lies between 0 and 90, a is greater than b, find a and b. This is the question. So tan a plus b is root 3. When is tan root 3? What value of tan is root 3? 60 degree. So I can write this as tan 60 degree. Means tan of a plus b is tan 60. So I can write a plus b is 60 degree. Then tan of a minus b is 1 upon root 3. When is tan 1 upon root 3? It is tan 30. So I can write tan of a minus b is tan 30. This implies a minus b is 30. Okay. Now we can solve this. We can consider this as equation. We can actually solve this like linear equation in two variables question. So if a plus b is 60, a minus b is 60, let this be equation 1, this be equation 2. If I add 1 plus 2, okay, if I add both the equation, a plus a is 2a, b plus minus b is 0, and 60 plus 30 is 90. So a is 90 upon 2, that is equal to 45. If a is 45, so 45 plus b is 60. So b is 60 minus 45, that is equal to 15. So answers are 45 and 15. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the answers. Actually, in board examination, you should always highlight the answer and write. So you can write angle A equals to 45 degree, angle B equals to 15 degree. Okay. This is the, okay. Now, so now we are going to see trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay. So two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Okay. Now, if we take a right angle triangle, if one angle is 90, the sum of other two will be automatically 90 degree. If one angle is 90, sum of all three is 180. So sum of other two angles will obviously will be 90. So they will be complementary angles. Okay. Now, till now we have seen what is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, their basic formulas. So let me summarize. अभी तक हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा? So sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta base upon hypotenuse, tan theta perpendicular upon base, cosec theta hypotenuse upon perpendicular, sec theta hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta base upon perpendicular. Okay. Now how is sin theta and cosec theta related? Cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta, or sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta. Similarly, sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta, or cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta. Then tan theta, one formula is sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Tan theta can also be written as 1 upon cot theta, or cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. Okay, so cot theta tan theta का रेसिप्रोकल है, तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं cos theta upon sin theta also. Okay, so this we have seen in the beginning. After that we have seen values of various trigonometric ratios. Okay, so at various angles. I hope everybody has learned these values. Okay, value of sin 0 degree is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This way all values we have seen. Now next concept of trigonometry we are going to see is sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Instead of theta I can write a also. Okay, that is sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. This and this same only. Okay, now cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Okay, now what is the meaning of this all? So if I take, suppose in this I am telling you, okay, here if I put theta equals to 0, theta equals to 0, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Sin 90 minus 0 that is 90 is cos 0. Sin 90 की वैल्यू होती है 1, cos 0 की वैल्यू भी होती है 1. Okay, so this all relation are always true. Even if I put instead of 0, if I put theta equals to 30 degree, so sin 90 minus 30 that is 60 equals to cos 30. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 that is also root 3 by 2. Okay, so this 6 relation you have to learn. Which 6 relation? This one, this one, this one, this one, this and this. Okay, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Okay, now how we'll do numericals based on this, questions based on this. So we are starting with the
Excuse me,
exam.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you move back to that slide?
Yes.
मैम ये cos के बाद ये थीटा लिखा है क्या, जो रेड कलर से लिखा है आपने, sin 90 equals to cos
sin 90 equals to cos 0 यहाँ पे पुट किया,
0.
यहाँ पे cos 0 डिग्री पुट किया इसमें, which I have highlighted here. Okay, so here if I'll put 0 it will be sin 90, here if I'll put 0 it will be cos 0. अब sin 90 की वैल्यू होती है 1, cos 0 की वैल्यू भी 1. क्लियर? और भी किसी को कोई डाउट है तो? Any other doubt if anybody has?
मैम ये 90 क्यों होता है मैम, और भी डिग्रीज नहीं होती?
नहीं नहीं, वो ये रिलेशन हमेशा ट्रू होता है क्योंकि किसी भी ट्रायंगल में एक एंगल 90 है तो बाकी दोनों का सम 90 होता है, तो ये एक दूसरे से ऐसे रिलेटेड होते हैं कि sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. ओके, देन ये याद रखना है एक्चुअली. अब इसका यूज कैसे होगा, दैट आई विल टीच इन दिस एग्जांपल. सपोज आई हैव टू इवैल्यूएट ओके tan 65 degree upon cot 25 degree. Okay, so we don't know values of cot 65, cot 25 and tan 65. Okay, इन दोनों में से सिर्फ एक को ही कन्वर्ट करेंगे हम, दोनों को कन्वर्ट करने की गलती नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, so suppose I am converting this tan 65. Okay, tan 65 can be written as cot 90 minus 65 because tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Okay, so cot 90 minus 65 is 90 minus 65 is 25. That means tan 65 is cot 25. So here instead of tan 65 I'll write cot 25 upon cot 25. Both are equal, so it will be 1. Is it clear?
मैम जब भी इनको सॉल्व करेंगे तो 1 ही आएगा क्या?
1 आ सकता है, 0 आ सकता है, पर जनरली ऐसा आएगा कि हम उसको फाइंड कर सकते हैं, मतलब उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. वी डोंट हैव टू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस डिग्रीज ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो. जैसे tan 65 की वैल्यू पता होने की जरूरत नहीं है. we'll get something simplified when we will put this formula.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. इट इज वेरी इजी एक्चुअली. विद टाइम यू विल गेट इट.
मैम
क्वेश्चन इज,
एक और बार बैक स्लाइड पे जाओगे?
यस यस.
मैम जैसे ये sin 60 है और cos 30 है, तो मैम ये √3/2 किस बेसिस पे? मैम वो sin और जो अपन ने पहले टेबल सीखी थी उसके बेसिस पे है ना?
यस यस. हाँ हाँ. ये कहाँ से आया? ये यहाँ से आया. sin 60, sin 60 it is √3/2.
ओके.
cos 30 it is also √3/2. Okay. How
Yes.
many of you have learned
Yes.
this table?
मैम I have learned
Okay. What about others?
that.
Please type Y, those who have learned this table. Type Y, those who have learned this table. So Hardik is typing, Nirviksha, Kavin, Yash, Avni. Everybody has learned. Hina Limani, not learned.
Ma'am, not perfectly.
Okay. Okay, now next question. If sin 3a equals to cos of a minus 26, where 3a is acute angle, find the value of a. Okay. Now sin 3a को cos के terms में क्या लिख सकते हैं? We know that sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. So sin 3a can be written as cos 90 minus 3a. Okay. So here instead of this sin 3a, I am going to write cos 90 minus 3a equals to cos a minus 26. So 90 minus 3a equals to a minus 26. So 90 plus 26 equals to a plus 3a. That is 4a. Okay. So I am writing here only 4a equals to 616, or a equals to 116 by 4. 4 2s are 8,
29.
29. So a equals to 29 degrees. Is it clear? ठीक है. इसके अंदर एक को ऐसे कन्वर्ट करना है कि दोनों को हम इक्वेट कर सकें. Okay. Now next question. Question is, express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. Okay. तो ये जो एंगल्स दे रखे हैं 85 और 75, इनको हमको 0 और 45 के बीच में ही एक्सप्रेस करना है. ओके. नाउ cot 85 degree, cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta. So it will be tan 90 minus 85. So that is equal to tan 5 degree. So cot 85 can be replaced by tan 5, cos 75. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So it can be written as sin 90 minus 75. That is equal to sin 15 degree. So I'll replace both of them this way. Cot 85 can be written as this. Cot 85 can be written as tan 5, and this cos 75 can be written as sin 15. Sin 15. This is the answer. Are these examples clear? Just
Yes.
type Y if it is clear. Or if any doubt is there, then also you can type doubt.
Can you show the previous slide?
Yes. Okay. Any other slide?
No.
Okay. So now I am starting exercise. Can I start exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Exercise 8.3. Okay. First, evaluate. First is sine 18 upon sine 72. Okay. Sorry, cos 72. So what I'll do, I'll convert either this sine to cos or cos to sine, but I'll not do both of them. I'll not convert. I'll convert only one of them. Okay. So sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. So if I substitute 18 instead of theta, it will be sine 18 is cos 90 minus 18. That is equal to cos of this will be 72. So it is cos 72 upon cos 72. Okay. So this both will get cancelled. It is 1. Okay. Then next is tan 26 upon cot 64. Can you try this question?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम इसका भी 1 ही आ रहा है.
इसका भी 1 ही आएगा. गुड. तो tan को tan theta.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tan 26
ma'am,
can.
बस
What?
मैम इसमें बस थीटा की जगह जो ऊपर वैल्यू दे रखी होती है वो रखनी होती, बाकी तो माइनस करना है बस.
Yes, yes. थीटा मतलब क्या है? कोई भी एंगल हो सकता है. We can put
अच्छा.
any value in this. In 10th class, we have angles from 0 to 90 only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So cot tan 26 is cot 64. So tan 26 cot 64 upon cot 64. This both will cancel. This will be 1. Okay. Third one, cos 48 minus sin 42. What this answer will be?
0.
0. Good. So if we convert this, cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So cos 48 is sin 90 minus 48. That is equal to sin
42.
42. तो cos 48 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? sin 42 minus sin 42. So this both equal things. So it is 0. Their difference is 0. Okay. Should I display this slide more or can I move ahead? Okay, Hardik is also typing the answer. Yes. Yes. Okay, now fourth part. Fourth part, some students are typing the answer. It's good that you are getting. Cosec 31 minus sec 59. Okay. Cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. So cosec 31 is sec 90 minus 31. That is equal to sec 59. Okay. So cosec 31 is sec 59 minus sec 59. So it is equal things, so 0 are subtracted. Okay, now next, okay, some students are typing answers. Okay, good. Many are getting the answer 0. Okay, now show that. Next, second question, show that first part, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree equals to 1. This we have to prove. Okay, अब यहाँ पे भी हम सभी को कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे. विल ऑन, पहले सोचो एक्चुअली क्या क्या दे रखा है. जैसे tan 48 है तो ये किसके इक्विवेलेंट होगा? cot 42 के. tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, so this will be equal to cot 42, and we know that cot 42 is 1 upon tan 42. So first step will be converting only this one and this one. Okay, tan 48 can be written as cot 42, tan 23 can be written as cot 67. Remaining two things I'll write here only, and will not write it directly. Instead we will write here, since tan theta is cot 90
मैम
minus
इसका आंसर
theta.
1 आएगा क्या?
1 ही प्रूव करना है तो.
अच्छा 1 ही प्रूफ करना है. मैम 1 आ
tan,
गया.
okay, tan 48 equals to tan cot 90 minus 48, that is equal to cot 42, and tan 23 is cot 90 minus 23, that is cot 67. Okay, this way. This is actually we are writing in bracket, or you can express it here also if you want. Now cot 42 can be written as 1 upon tan 42. Cot 67 can be written as 1 upon tan 67. This is tan 42, and okay, this I am rubbing and I'll shift it that side. And this is tan 67. Tan 42, tan 42, tan 67 and tan 67 will get cancelled. This is 1. Is it clear? Now next one, second part, cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52 equals to 0. Okay, here also they पहले सोचो कि क्या दे रखा है. मतलब अगर ये दोनों चीजें इक्वल है, if this term and this term is equal, then equals are subtracted from equals, so result will be 0. That means we should try to make this two cos into equivalent sign, and this should come equal basically. So cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. This can be also written as sin 90 minus theta. And other two things will not change. Actually the big mistake which students do is they change all the things. तो हमेशा वो inverse आता ही रहेगा. Sin 90 minus 38 is 52. Sin 90 minus 52 is 38. And next thing, sin 38 sin 52. अब ये equals है, तो therefore it will come 0. Okay, is it clear? Okay, third question also you found the answer. Okay, let me check. Now next question 3. Tan of 2a is cot of a minus 18. Okay, tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Okay, so 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18, or 90 plus 18 equals to a plus 2a, that is equal to 3a. So it is 108. Okay, so a will be equal to 108 upon 3, that is equal to 3 3s are 9, 6 are 18. So a equals to 36 degree. Some students are typing the answer. Okay, correct. A is 36. Good. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Fourth question. If tan A equals to cot B, prove that A plus B is 90. Okay. Tan A can be written as cot of 90 minus A. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta equals to cot B. So we can write 90 minus A. यहाँ पे cot cot कभी भी कैंसिल मत करना. This will be wrong. हमेशा इस स्टेप के बाद बिना कुछ कट किए डायरेक्ट लिख देना. Don't ever cut this and this way. It will be wrong. Okay. So 90 minus A is B. Yes, 90 equals to A plus B. Okay. Yes, somebody is typing or saying something. Then, is it clear? Question 4.
मैम इसमें 90 माइनस बी भी कर सकते थे ना?
90, हाँ, उसको ये कॉट को भी चेंज कर सकते थे. करेक्ट. अदरवाइज tan A इक्वल्स टू कॉट B लिखा है. कॉट B को हम लिख देते हैं tan ऑफ 90 माइनस बी. ठीक है. अब A इक्वल्स टू 90 माइनस बी और A plus B is 90. This is also correct. Okay. Now, question 5. Sec of 4A equals to cosec A minus 20. Sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec A minus 20. So 90 minus 4A is A minus 20, or 90 plus 20 equals to 4A plus A, or 100 equals to 5A. A equals to 100 by 5. That is equal
मैम
to
110 होगा ना?
sorry 110, right. 110, right. So 110 divided by 5. So it will be 22 degree. This is the answer. Okay. All of you finished till here. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Okay. So, any doubt till here?
No मैम.
Okay. Now question 6. A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle. That means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. We have to prove sine of B plus C by 2 is cos A by 2. This question is important question. Okay. Given. This question came this year. Okay. Now, sine of B plus C by 2. What we can write actually, if A plus B plus C is 180 degree, B plus C can be written as 180 minus A.
Yes.
Okay. 180 minus A. So LHS we are taking. So this can be written as sine of 180 minus A by 2. This can be written as sine of 180 by 2 is 90 minus A by 2. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. That is equal to RHS. Is it clear? Okay. Now, last question of this exercise. Express sine 67 and cos 75 in trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45. So sine will write as cos 90 minus 67 and cos will write sine 90 minus 75. Okay. So 90 minus 67, this will be cos 23.
23 plus
And
sin
this will be
15.
sine. It should be, you should speak it sine. Okay. Sine
fine, ma'am.
15. So this is the answer. Okay. Now, so our meeting is also going to end. So we'll reconnect and then we will discuss these questions once again. Okay. So if anybody is having any doubt, feel free to ask. I'm ending this meeting. Let us reconnect first of all. Okay.